before making videos on mobile devices, you have to clean those devices. Nobody ever tells you about that, right? But this is really a pain in the ass, especially if the device has a glossy back as the OnePlus 8, which is just a fingerprint magnet. Alright, with that said, let's get started. What's up guys, Anubhav here. Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. Today we're doing something that I have never really done before. So go a little easy on me if you think there are things that could be added that are missing from this video. But with that said, today we are pairing the mighty Snapdragon 865 on the OnePlus 8 versus the Dimensity 1000 plus processor on the brand new Realme X7 Pro. I did buy both of these devices and I honestly feel like a speed test between them should be really cool depending on the prices that this phone is available for and the price that this phone retails for. Without any further ado, let's not waste any time, get right into the speed test. And yeah, let me know how you guys like the video, drop a like, subscribe, do all of that. And yeah, fingers crossed this video goes well. Let's get to it. Before we start, I would just like to go to the settings and show you guys what kind of specs we're running on both the phones. Now, the OnePlus device over here is obviously running on the Snapdragon 865 with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 GB ROM. Now, I know a lot of you might say that this has 12 gigs of RAM and this over here has 8 gigs of RAM, and that is not really fair. But then again, this phone is not about whether this phone is better than that. It's just to see how the Mediatek stacks up against the Snapdragon. And obviously the OnePlus is a way more expensive phone compared to the Realme X7 Pro in the first place. So just to see how things rack up and how much is this worth. Now again, going over to the settings, let's go to about phone and I'll show you guys about this phone as well. This is running on 8 gigs of RAM. It has the Dimensity 1000 plus octa-core processor and 128 gigs of storage. Both the phones have no apps running in the background, and let me just show you that there is nothing running here and there's nothing running here as well. Both of them are sufficiently charged. The OnePlus has 96% battery, whereas the Realme has somewhere around 87%. So with that said, I have created a list of applications on both the phones, arranged them exactly the same way, the way I would like to try them out. So yeah, let's get started. Now, obviously keep in mind that these applications are not in, a particular order, say productivity, games, because that's not the real world scenario. And even though these tests are not at all similar to how a phone would perform in the day-to-day usage, this is just for bragging rights. But then again, without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first application is Chrome. Let's go 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay, so clearly I think the OnePlus beat it just by a second. So okay, OnePlus is ahead by 1. Let's go back. Now we're going to open Lightroom. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, this was very close. I think both of them performed similarly. Let's move on to the next one. Now we're talking about Instagram. 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay, OnePlus clearly was the winner here. However, they both refreshed at the same time. So yeah, let's go back and let's check out the other one. Now we're talking about Twitter. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that was extremely close and I feel like both of them performed very similarly. So that's good to see. Next up, app number 5 is going to be the stock camera app. 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay, so Realme did a little oopsie there. It showed the viewfinder, then it went bang, something like that. But again, very similar performance. All right, let's go back. Now we'll start from messages. 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay, I think OnePlus was faster by a little bit, but then again, very, very close. So yeah, I guess we could call that both of them did very well. Next, we have YouTube Music. And okay, wow. So both of them are connected to the same Wi-Fi, and Realme actually loaded up a second faster than OnePlus. OnePlus was, still looking for the tracks and stuff. All right, so Realme. Next, Reddit. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so it's clearly OnePlus. So all right, OnePlus, got it. Let's move on. Now we go to the Google app. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so this was way faster than the stock Google app. All right, pretty interesting results, even though both of them are pretty similar. Now let's play a little Among Us because imposters are a part of this world. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, let's see. Alright, so I feel like it was pretty similar, but OnePlus was just a little bit faster. So yeah, that's that. And let's go home. Okay. Alright, now we're coming to the final tray. We'll start from Call of Duty because I want to see how it performs when it's in the background test, which we'll do after this. 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay. Alright, let's see. So we already have this screen over here. It's loading. This is also loading. Oh wow, OnePlus did it a little faster, but I honestly think it doesn't matter. Clearly, OnePlus was the winner, but both of them perform very, very similar. So that's that. Okay, next up, we've got Google Drive. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh wow, all right. Realme for the win once again. Realme is doing really well with Google applications, it seems like. All right, let's go back. YouTube, 3, 2, 1, go. Also, while we're talking about YouTube, like and subscribe because hey, do it. Cool. Let's move on. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, YouTube, 3, 2, 1, go. Wow. Okay, all right. Realme for the win once again. Google Maps, 3, 2, 1, go. Very similar, but I think Realme opened the map view just a little bit quicker. Alright, last but definitely not the least, let's talk about the phone. 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, once again, Realme takes the cake here. So that was pretty interesting, the results. I wasn't really expecting the competition to be so stiff. Really, really cool to see. Alright, now it's time for the other test. As you guys can see, all the apps are still running in the background. What we are going to do is obviously not remove these applications. We will just go back and then open all of these apps again and again to see which one of them are still in memory. So we'll start again from Google Chrome. 3, 2, 1, and go. Alright, so both of them had it in the background. This has also opened some article which I might have misclicked on. So that's that. Both of them were open in the background. Let's go to Lightroom. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, once again, both of them are in the background. Let's go back. Let's check how Instagram is doing. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, Instagram directly opened up Reels, which means that it was still in the background, and so was this, I think. Again, it was just a misclick. So far, so good on both the phones. Let's go to Twitter now. 3, 2, 1, and go. Alright, clearly both of them are having this in the memory, no problems. Alright, camera. 3, 2, 1, and go. Alright, I feel like OnePlus was a bit slower, but then again, both of them have it in the memory, so not an issue. Next, we've got messages. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, again, not an issue. Both of them have got it, no problems. YouTube Music, and let's go. YouTube Music also, no issues, not a problem. Both these phones are performing really well. Let's go to Reddit. 3, 2, 1, and go. Alright, once again, no issues. Both of them are running really, really well. Let's go to Google. 3, 2, 1, and go. And yep, both of them are here. This has directly taken it to the search bar, which is what happened last time as well, so not a problem. Let's go back. Let's do Among Us. 3, 2, 1. We were on the title page, and go. Okay, once again, a little bit of stutter here on the Realme, but both of them are taking it directly from this page. So yeah, both of them had it in memory, so not a problem. Alright, let's just go back again. Next up, we've got Call of Duty, big one here. 3, 2, 1, and go. Alright, so as you guys can see, OnePlus wasn't actually faster. The thing was that I actually have logged in Call of Duty on this phone and not on this phone. So this was supposed to go to the login page and this was supposed to go to this page. So both of them had it in memory, not an issue, no problems so far. Alright, let's go back once again. Now, Google Drive. 3, 2, 1, go. Again, no issues. Both of them had it in memory. Now we come to YouTube. 3, 2, 1, and go. No issues, no problems. Alright. Google Maps. 3, 2, 1, go. No issues, no problem. Don't come to my house, by the way. Last but not the least, we've got phone. 3, 2, 1, go. No issues. All of the apps were in memory. So this feels like a great comparison because the competition is very, very stiff. I mean, right out of the box, a phone, this one, the one with 12 gigs of RAM, costs somewhere around 45 to 46,000, and I'm pretty sure you can get this, even the 8 gig version, for somewhere close to 40k. And this one, this bad boy costs 30,000 Indian rupees. It's launched right now with a brand new processor. Also has a 120 hertz display, and it's very close. And I feel like Realme, for the price to performance ratio, has to be declared the winner here, even though OnePlus had, a quick luck when it came to certain applications. But honestly, as Ash says, that speed tests at this point are just about bragging rights. They don't really denote your real life experience, because these phones are already so fast that you are not going to find that much of a difference. So I really feel like the Realme X7 Pro is a really great device. I'm going to be doing a camera review as well as a dedicated review for this phone, so be sure to stay subscribed for that. And yeah, hope you guys liked this speed test. If I did a couple of mistakes, or you found this was not quite up to the mark, that was because this was one of my very first ever speed tests on this channel. So go a little easy on me, drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you liked this video. With that said, this is Anubhav signing out. I'll catch you guys next time. You guys have a great day, stay safe, peace out.